everyone. My name is Catia Cividini-Motta, and I am the Project Director for Project iSED. It's a pleasure to be here today and share with you some of the things we learned while using the Prevent, Teach, Reinforced PTR model to foster interdisciplinary collaboration. Our project focused on the interdisciplinary training of school-based behavior analysts, BCBAs, and social workers because of the critical shortage of those school personnel. Additionally, given the areas of expertise of those disciplines, we believe that by working together, they can ensure that school-age children with emotional disturbance have improved outcomes, including a successful transition to post-secondary education and integration into the workplace. To ensure scholars from Project iSED are prepared to work in interdisciplinary teams, we are, amongst other things, providing scholars an opportunity to work on shared cases using the PTR model of consultation. The PTR is a Tier 3 intervention that consists of a manualized FBA and BIP process. It uses a collaborative approach to consultation in which the coach, in our case our scholars, guides the school team through the assessment and intervention process. Briefly, the PTR model includes 4 steps. During step 1, teams are formed, usually including the teacher, student, the coach, other school personnel, and our family, and the team identifies behaviors of concern and potential replacement behaviors. And they develop an easy-to-use data collection system using the Individualized Behavior Rating Scale 2, or iBurst. Step 2 consists of the functional behavior assessment, which allows the team to identify variables that occasion problem behavior, adequate replacement behaviors to teach, and consequences for problem and replacement behaviors. During step 3, behavior interventions that are contextually fit are selected from the PTR menu, and the coach trains the teacher to implement the plan. Finally, during step 4, the coach assists the team in evaluating the intervention by reviewing child and implementation fidelity data and helping the team make data-based decisions. The first cohort of iSED scholars served and provided support to several children and teachers, respectively. The table poster provides information only for the 5 program shared cases scholars completed using the PTR model. The middle figure shows sample data for one of the children who received the PTR. This graph contains data that were collected by our scholars. As you can see on the graph, during baseline disruptive behavior occurred at high levels, while the replacement behavior of asking for help and academic engagement seldomly occurred. However, during the PTR intervention phase, disruptive behavior decreased and the replacement behaviors increased. The bottom graph contains data collected by the teacher using the iBurst scale, where higher scores indicate high occurrence of the behavior. For instance, a 5 indicates that disruptive behavior occurred frequently. You can compare the data for those 2 graphs, and you will see high correspondence between data collected by our scholars and those collected by the teacher. To conclude, the first cohort of iSED scholars faced many challenges due to COVID-19, including frequent teacher and student absences. Despite these challenges, teachers that received coaching from our scholars implemented interventions with high integrity and reported being satisfied with the support they received. Additionally, our experience confirmed that consultation using the PTR model is advantageous because it engages the entire team in the process and ensures that teachers learn about new evidence-based interventions to problem solve and to make data-based decision-making. If you have any questions about Project iSED or the PTR model, feel free to reach out to any of the members of Project iSED. Thank you.